Here at Today's Homeowner, we're always looking for ways to recycle and reuse items that ordinarily would be tossed out in the trash. And the other day I bought a DVD container. This is a bulk DVD container that has a base with a lid that snaps on. When I emptied one, I was looking at it and I thought that would be a great thing for storing twine. I know what you're thinking, I have a lot of time on my hands to come up with an idea like that. But I took the base of it and I screwed it upside down to the underside of a shelf. And then I took the top and I drilled a hole in it. That's about a 3/8 inch diameter hole. I'm just going to feed the thread through the string through the hole. There you go, and pull it out just to get it started. And now you just slip it over the post and lock it in place. Now whenever you need a little string, you just pull it out and cut it off. And the great thing about this technique is you can also take the spool with you right to the job site. Now, in this case, I'm using Mason's line, but this is a great tip for if you want to do it in a craft room for yarn or ribbon. And the best thing of all is you're reusing an item that ordinarily would be tossed into the garbage.